Well, I got the plate back on. Took 2 attempts. The lever on your left here, I didn't have that one quite aligned right the first time around. So I had to peel the plate off and redo that one. So I think I got that right. Then once I had it up and running, another leak developed. The sight glass started leaking, and it hadn't leaked before. And guess what? More of that famous Chinese white glue. So this is the O-ring that seals it up, potentially. And that glue stuff apparently was enough to defeat it. So I'm going to try cleaning this up. I might try and get a bigger O-ring to seal. And we'll see what happens next.